Hey, Matthew, how was your weekend?
Hi, Julia. It was great, thanks. How about you?
Mine was good too. I went hiking with some friends.
That sounds fun. I watched a movie with my family.
Which movie did you watch?
We watched the new Spider-Man movie. It was awesome.
I heard it's really good. I should watch it sometime.
Definitely. We can go together if you want.
That would be great. Let's plan it for next weekend.
Sure, I'm looking forward to it.
Hey, Matthew, do you have any plans for the summer vacation?
Not yet. I was thinking of going on a road trip. What about you?
I'm planning to visit my grandparents in Florida.
That sounds nice. Maybe we can share our travel experiences when we get back.
That's a great idea. We can exchange photos too.
Hey, Julia, have you tried the new restaurant downtown?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Yeah, I went there last week with some friends. The food was amazing.
I'll have to check it out then. Maybe we can go together sometime.
Sure, I'd love to go again.
Matthew, I need your help with my math homework. Can you explain this problem to me?
Of course, let me take a look.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
No problem. We're a team, remember.
Hey, Matthew, I heard there's a new exhibition at the art gallery. Do you want to go see it with me?
That sounds interesting. I'm not really into art. But I'd love to go with you.
Great, it'll be a fun experience.
Julia, I need your advice. I'm thinking of buying a new laptop. Do you have any recommendations?
Well, it depends on what you're looking for. I can help you research some options.
Thanks, that would be really helpful.
Matthew, I have some exciting news. I got accepted into the university.
That's amazing, Julia. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without your support.
Julia, do you remember our trip to the beach last summer? That was so much fun.
Yes, I remember. We should plan another trip this summer.
I'm up for it. Let's make it happen.
Matthew, I'm feeling a bit stressed about the upcoming exams.
Don't worry, Julia. You've been studying hard. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks. I needed to hear that.
Julia, I have a confession to make. I accidentally broke your favorite mug.
Oh no, that's okay. It was just a mug.
I'll buy you a new one to make up for it.
You don't have to, but thank you.
Julia, I'm thinking of starting a book club. Would you be interested in joining?
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I love reading.
Great. I'll let you know once I have more details.
Matthew, do you want to go for a bike ride this weekend?
I'd love to, but I have to work on a project. Maybe next weekend.
Sure, no problem. We can plan it for next weekend.
Sounds like a plan.